Hey guys, today I wanted to take you through just a quick eyeshadow look with the ColourPop Disney Designer Collection. It's their second palette, the Midnight Masquerade one. This has been out for a while now, but I'm just working with the makeup that I've got at the moment. I've actually never touched this as well, and I have the whole collection, so I'm pretty excited to give it a go. These are the colours that we have. It's quite beautiful. You can see there's a lot of mattes, and then we've got some shimmers and some glitters. Anyway, let's start, shall we? So I'm just gonna take a fluffy blending brush. This one's from Eco Tools. I'm just gonna go into Damsel and pop that in the crease. Do for now. Then what we're gonna do next is go into this Gaston shade. I'm gonna grab another fluffy brush. I'm just gonna use my ColourPop one, my good old E9. So going into Gaston and just chucking this in the outer corner as well, just to deepen it a bit more. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is go into Quasimodo and I'm just going to use the same brush, but kind of go over the same area that I just went into over Gaston with. This is what I've got so far. Next we're going to go into Djali. I'm just going to grab a flat shader brush. This one's pretty small, but I want to be reasonably precise. Well, that's a great colour. I think I'm just going to go into Quasimodo again and just darken up the edges and blend between those two colours a bit more. I'm just going back into Damsel again to just go over my crease and make sure everything's blended well. Ooh, there was a little bit of fallout there. I already did my makeup, if you can't tell, like the rest of my face makeup. I'm just going to go into my lower lash line with this really fine brush. This one's from Terra Mare. I'm just gonna go into Quasimodo. That's a lie. I'm not gonna do that first. I'm gonna go in with a small brush. I'm gonna go into Damsel and run that along my lower lash line. Okay, and now we're gonna go on with Quasimodo on this thin little brush, just on the outer corners. I'm also just going to use the same brush with Quasimodo to do sort of a liner on the top. There you go. I did a little bit of a shadow liner too, if you can't tell. I've made it quite smoky, so it's very small, but I still like the effect of it. I think it looks quite good. I am not the neatest when it comes to the shadow liner, but I feel like it still kind of looks good, even if you do it a bit rough. Okay, next I'm just gonna grab a little shader brush and go into Mama Odie. Just a shimmer and just chuck that on my eyebrow, my brow bone. That's very reflective, so we're only going to use a little bit of this. I'm actually going to pop some spinning wheel on top of that just to add that little pink colour as well, because that's quite green. Didn't realise it would come off that much. There you go, so that matches the colour, the look better a bit. And then I'm going to pop spinning wheel just in my inner corner as well. This may ruin it, but I'm gonna pop some Charlie on my lower lash line, just down towards the inner corner, just to make it almost, well, pretty much identically match my lid. I do actually really like this colour. I think it's really nice. There we go. And that'll be the look for the day, just the eye look. I think I might leave off actual eyeliner because I did the shadow liner. But yeah, I'm going to use, I'm going to tight line and waterline with my ColourPop Crème Gel Liner in Swerve. There we go. So that'll be that, and I'll chuck on some mascara. Just using the ModelCo Power Lash Black Mascara. There we go. And now I will just quickly set my face. I'm just gonna chuck on the ColourPop Luxe Liquid Lip in Flynn. That's my cat. There we go. That's us done for the day. 1 second. Yes. Moa. So wanna say hello? Hello. This is Matilda. She's beautiful. Look at the people. I love you. She doesn't like being locked out of things. Do you? Thank you very much for watching our video for the day. We hope you're all safe and happy. I know this is I'm gonna pop it down. A difficult time to live in, or like a difficult time to feel normal in. I think everyone feels the same though, so maybe that's the new normal for now. But yeah, have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching. Ooh. Look. Yeah. Ooh, I have a drop.